Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look, and this look is perfect for this time of the year. So let's get started. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is prime the eyelids. I'm taking my all-time favorite primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm applying this all over the eyelid, and you can see the redness going away immediately, which is so nice because this will leave me with a nice clean canvas for the eyeshadows that I will apply. After that, I set it with a light layer of powder, and then I applied my brow gel. I do this after applying my primer, so I'm sure that there will be no powder into my brows. So then I applied a eyeshadow guard. If you don't have these, you can also use some regular sticky tape. That will work as well. So I'm just applying them, and the palette that I will be using today is the Sugar palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They recently launched this palette, so it's brand new. And I really wanted to do a video with it, so hopefully if you have this palette, this will give you some inspiration on what you can do with it. So I'm gonna start with this mauve kind of nude shade and start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I'm just making sure that this is all blended into my crease. I'm going a few times with my brush back into the eyeshadow to really build up like the color payoff. But you can see it's already getting darker and darker. Now after this, I'm just making sure that everything looks nice and blended out. And then for the next step, I'm going to go in with this kind of like nude pink shade, which is actually super pigmented, as you can see, which is nice because it's perfect for the step that I'm doing. I wanted to apply this all over the eyelid to really like create this nice nude base for the lid. And the pigmentation is just beautiful. Today I'm doing this sparkly eye look, but if I would have kept this eye look more like matte without the sparkle, that would have been really nice as well. So I applied a few layers until I was happy with how it looked. And then I went in with the kind of like dark purple color. Just a really intense kind of like aubergine purple color. I don't even know, is it called aubergine or eggplant? I don't know, you know that fruit, or is it a vegetable? I think it's actually a vegetable, which is super purple and dark, and that's kind of what it reminds me of. So applying it right above the lash line, and then I'm also following kind of like where you would normally go for like your wing liner, but since I use that eyeshadow guard, it's really easy because I can just kind of like sweep my brush back and forth along the eyeshadow guard. It's raining actually very hard outside, so I hope you guys can hear it on through my microphone. But just so you know, if you do hear something, that's rain. It's very loud. So I just continue to blend my brush back and forth, going a few times in with my brush again to make it as pigmented as possible. And then I went in with this color, and I'm going to use that to blend it out. So applying it right on top of that dark purple color, but also slightly above it, so you can kind of see a nice smudged gradient, if that makes sense. I really wanted it to be like more having that smoked effect. So not just eyeliner, but you know, a nice blended smoky effect. Then I went in with this sparkly shade, which is so pretty. I feel like whenever I use glitter, it looks even better in real life. I feel like my camera doesn't really do justice because I think the lighting that I use, it will really lighten up my eyelids. And also like the space in between the glitter. So the glitter doesn't stand out on camera as it actually really is in real life. So whenever you see me use glitter, just know that if you would wear it in real life, it will look 10 times better and prettier because the sparkles will look so much more beautiful in real life. I wish I could show you. But yeah, I used pencil underneath the waterline and in the waterline, and then I smudged it out using a tiny pencil brush. And then after that, I also used it to tightline my upper lashes. And I will use this color to blend out the lower lash line even further. And this is something I've been in love with lately. If you have been following a lot of my videos, you know that recently I discovered using black pencil for like creating a smoky eye, and normally I would use black eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line to create that smoky effect, but now I'm just using pencil only because it works really well. So after that, I used a lash curler because it's time for mascara. I used this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. I thought, let me just use this one since I used their palette as well. to kind of like use the same brand for this matter. So using this for the upper lashes and the lower lashes. I will go in with false lashes, so whenever I do, I'm not too focused on making my upper lashes very long because I will hide it anyways. I will use the Frisky lashes from House of Lashes, so I'm popping them right above the lash line. Actually love this lash style, super beautiful, and I think it's perfect for today's eye look. They're not too dramatic, not too neutral. I think they're just the perfect lash, and it's also one of the newest launches from House of Lashes. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know what kind of looks you want to see for the holidays, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar